So I went out of town for a few days, and apparently we got 22 inches. I just got home, had to park my truck over there. Somebody decided to plow everything into that mount right there. So now I gotta get rid of all this stuff right here. Funny thing is that I did buy a plow for one of my wheelers here, and I never put it together because they said that was probably not gonna snow, and it's sitting right there. So yeah, I'm gonna be putting that together and having some fun out here today. We'll see how that goes. Here's what the front of the house looks like. I mean, I guess that could be 22 inches. Alright, so this is the Snow-Devil by KFI. Go ahead and open her up. Alright, there it is. Snow-Devil. It's pretty lightweight. Alright, so this is the kit without the winch, because I already have a winch on this thing, so. Alright, first things first, we gotta find out if we have a round tube frame or a square tube frame, so we gotta remove this plastic in order to find out, so let's go ahead and do that real quick. Alright, so it looks like we have a muddy frame. Just kidding, it's a round tube frame. Alright, now we're just gonna follow what this picture says right here. So we got one plate on top of the other one, with these holes facing forward. Then the U-bolts are gonna go through here, and then you put the hardware on the bottom. That's it, pretty simple. Let's do it. You know, you pressure wash these things and you're like, yeah, it's clean. Nope, no it's not. Look at all this crap right here. Alright, so these are gonna go right here. U-bolts gonna drop in right there and right here. Alright, so that's what that looks like right there. Alright, now we're going to install the blade, but we're only going to do the 5 center holes. Alright, so we got the blade installed. The 2 longer bolts go in the corner for the blade feet. Right there, they're adjustable. Now we're just going to get this out of the way and work on putting the angle plate together. Alright, so now we're gonna work on the handle. I'm trying to do this quick because I don't want to run out of daylight, so I apologize for that. Alright, let's go ahead and finish this up. This is gonna go on top of this, like so. And this handle right here. Sorry. It's gonna go like that. Alright. Pretty simple. Probably take you 45 minutes to get this whole thing done if you weren't recording it. Alright, so I'm gonna get it done real quick. Now we just install this retaining spring right here. See if I can do it with one hand. Yep. There it is. That works. Thinking about installing these brakes first before I put the blade on it. That way it's a lot easier. I don't have to, I'm over here by myself. I don't want to have to pick the whole thing up. And pretty much these two mounting points right there are gonna go right there. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Transmission jack right here works wonders when doing this. Alright, so quick walk around before I tighten everything up. Over here it's pretty simple. After you tighten up the U-bolts, you get this quick disconnect right here that you use to mount the plow. You got the bearings that go inside the hole. I don't know why, but it's two washers and then the nut. Same thing on the other side. Then you hook up the spring. You got all the springs adjustments right here. And then you can adjust the tension over here too. And over here you can adjust the angle off the plow. Alright, so I'm just gonna tighten everything up, play with the angle, and get this thing on the road. Alright, so she's all hooked up. You can use this handle right here to change the angle of the blade. It's pretty sweet. Once it's hooked up, I had to take one of these washers out because the bolt was not hitting the nylock, so I don't know why, but it's only one washer there.